What's up friends? Today you are going to learn WH questions from Marathi to English. Let's begin. Our first question is हे काय आहे? What is this? What is this? तो कुठे आहे? Where is he? Where is he? हे किती आहे? How much is it? How much is it? हे कसं आहे? How is it? How is it? किती दूर आहे? How much far? How much far? तू का आलास? Why did you come? Why did you come? तू काय म्हणालास? What did you say? What did you say? मी काय करू? What do I do? What do I do? काय होईल? What will happen? What will happen? तू काय पाहिलंस? What did you see? What did you see? कोण आलंय? Who came? Who came? कोण आहे? Who is this? Who is this? काय भानगड आहे? What's the matter? What's the matter? काय लिहिलंय? What is it written? What is it written? कुठे आहे? Where is it? Where is it? काय झालं? What happened? What happened? केव्हापासून? From when? From when? तू कधी येशील? When will you come? When will you come? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.